students. In this class, I will be doing class 10, 9th chapter, some application of trigonometry, CBSE syllabus. In that already 7 sums I have completed in my previous class, previous video. Now I will continue with the 8th sum. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 meter. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So these are the two things these are the things given. We are asked to find the height of the pedestal. So first we will make the diagram for the given information. So a 1.6 meter tall statue stands on the top of a pedestal. So this is the pedestal. Top of a pedestal. The top of the pedestal, the statue is there. 1.6 meter. So statue 1.6 meter. This is the height of the pedestal. From a point on the ground. So this is the ground. So from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. So this is the statue. So top of the statue is 60 degree. Top is given as 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal. So this is the pedestal. Say from the same point, they are observing the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. So when they are observing the pedestal, that is 45 degree. When they are observing the top of the statue, that is given as 60 degree. 60 degree and 45 degree. We are asked to find the height of the pedestal. Okay. So we will give the name for this as A, B, C and D. Let BC be the height of the pedestal. Let BC be the height of the pedestal. Height of the pedestal. And CD be the height of the statue. CD be the height of the statue. Height of the statue. So we are asked to find the height of BC. Okay. So for this, the whole thing, we will take this pedestal height as BC and this one as CD. So first we will take tan 45. Two things we need to find. Both we will take it as tan 45 itself. Why? Because for tan only, this is common to both tan 45 and tan 60. That is the adjacent side is common to both tan 45 and tan 60. So both we will take. So first one is tan 45. For that in triangle. What is the triangle we take for tan 45? It is ABC. In triangle ABC. Tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is BC. That is the height of the pedestal by AB. AB is the distance between the point and the pedestal. So tan 45 we know that it is 1. That is equal to BC we don't know and AB also we don't know. So we got now when we simplify this we got it as length of AB is equal to length of BC. Okay. Whatever we are getting for AB that is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Okay. So this is for triangle ABC. Then in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, tan 60 is equal to opposite. Tan 60 is equal to opposite is BD. BD by AB. BD by AB. We know that tan 60 value as √3 is equal to BD. We can write it as BC plus CD by AB. Okay, BC plus CD by AB. So CD length is given as 1.6. So BC plus 1.6 by AB. So this is equal to √3. So when we simplify this, AB √3AB is equal to BC plus √3AB is equal to BC plus 1.6. So we got BC value is equal to AB. So we will substitute. Instead of BC, we will substitute AB plus 1.6. So √3 AB. Okay, so now root 3 AB minus AB, we will bring this AB to this side, is equal to 1.6. Okay, so AB if we take common, we will get that as root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So we need to find, if we find AB length, that will be equal to BC. So here we are getting AB only. So AB is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. So when we simplify this, that is when we rationalize the denominator, it is 1.6 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b. So root 3 the whole squared is, 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. We will get the denominator as 2. So when we simplify 1.6 by 2, when we divide 1.6 by 2, it is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. This is the value of AB. AB is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. So already we got AB is equal to BC. The BC is nothing but the height of the pedestal. BC is the height of the pedestal. So BC is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. That is height of the pedestal is equal to height of the pedestal is equal to pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of top of a tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter height, find the height of the building. So two things are there. One is building, the other one is the tower. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower. So a building is there and a tower is there. So this is tower and this one is building. Tower and building. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. So this is the tower. So from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So this is given as 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. So this is given as 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, if the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So we are asked to find the height of the building. Okay, so we'll keep this as A, B, C and D. Let AD be the height of the building. Let AD be the height of the building. Height of the building and BC be the height of the tower. BC be the height of the tower. BC be the height of the tower. Okay, so now we will find tan 60 opposite by adjacent. Adjacent side is common to both this triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Okay, so first we will take in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to opposite, that is BC by AB. Tan 60 is equal to BC by AB. 60 is equal to BC by AB. We know that tan 60 is root 3 is equal to BC value is given as 50 by AB. So AB is equal to 50 by root 3. That is this length. This distance we got it as 50 by root 3 meter. This is AB. Now we take in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, tan 30 is equal to AD by AB. AD by AB. AD is the height of the building and AB is the distance between the building and the tower. Tan 30 is equal to AD by AB. We know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AD only we are asked to find, that is the height of the building. By AB we got the value as 50 by root 3. Okay, so this one we need to simplify. So when we simplify this, we will get 50 by root 3. It will go to the numerator here. By root 3 is equal to AD. So this root 3 will come to the denominator. So AD is equal to 50 by 3 meter. So AD is distance only, that is the height of the building only we are asked to find. So height of the building is equal to height of the building is 50 by 3 meter. Height of the building is 50 by 3 meter. I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.